Now, I'm going to show you how to start the car correctly. To do this, select On, open position, and move the lever to the neutral position, in the middle. Make 6 half turns of the key. Put the gear shift in forward gear and release the on lever. The car goes forward. To reverse the car, select reverse gear, make 6 half turns of the key and push the on button. In this configuration, the car goes back. For neutral gear, put the gear shift in neutral gear in the middle. On button is open. As we make 6 half turns, we can see that the car is idling. The car has a storage for the key and a storage for the cup. The car also has a place where you can put the keys and lock it. That's it. I wish you success in assembling the model. Stay calm and you can do it.